The following video, we're going to learn the half bar and the bar. First, let's start with the half bar. And basically what we're doing is we're pressing more than one note with the same finger. So in this case, I'm going to use finger number 1, and I'm going to go to fret number 5. I'm just going to place it on fret number 5 and going to press all 3 notes. I'm going to play them, and that's a half bar, right? I'm using one finger to press and play all 3 notes. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 5. You can go all the way to a full bar, right? So right now I'm playing a full bar. I have my finger, my index finger extended across parallel to the fretboard, and I'm doing pressure. If you notice, I'm pretty close to the fret, right? I'm not far away from the fret. That's going to make it harder. And I'm not pressing really hard to make the sound. The only thing I need to do, I need to make sure the string touches the fret, and that's it. That's going to help me produce the sound that I need. So no amount of pressure is going to be a lot of pressure. It's not going to help me with the sound, right? So all I'm doing is I'm pressing, making sure the fret is touching the string, and that's giving me a nice clear sound. It's going to take some time. You're going to need some patience here. You're also going to need to make sure you have your hand relaxed. Your thumb needs to be in the right position, and it needs to be nice and flexible, not pressing really hard, because if not, it might hurt. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to relax your hand. You're going to place it across 5 strings, and you can just practice that for a while. At the beginning, it might sound a little muted, but as the string gets, as the hand and the finger gets stronger, you're going to see that it's going to be nice and clear. So it's really important that you start maybe with the half bar, practice that a few times. And maybe start adding strings to it. Then maybe start doing the full bar.